Colourpop sent me their newest collection and I am freaking geeking out. This collection is with Stranger Things and I am freaking out. I absolutely love Stranger Things, one of my favorite shows. I've done so many Stranger Things makeup looks too, so I am honored. Thank you, Colourpop. The plan is that as I pull out different products, I'm going to apply them to my face so we can watch it as like a tutorial as well. We're starting off with this amazing Stranger Things inspired palette. I love the shade range on this. This is amazing. Waffle Thief, 1983, 11, Chief of Police, Gone Missing, Hawkins, Castle, Byers, D&D, Hungry for Blood, Alien Vines, The Gate, Demogorgon, The Upside Down, Alt Dimension, Hive Mind, The Void. Look at that shade range. That's amazing. Let's see what little eye makeup I'm gonna whip up. I wanted to try to use as many colors as I could in the palette, so I successfully used 8 colors. I was thinking something pretty yet weird to match the vibe. My lips are feeling chapped, so I'm gonna use this beautiful little waffle lip mask, and it's flavored too. It is fluffy waffle flavor. Oh God, it smells like maple syrup freshly poured onto some divine waffles right out of the waffle maker. I'm obsessed. I could eat this. Oh, and it's sweet too. I really could eat it. Instant Crush Cream Blush. I love the cassette tape. Comment down below if you actually owned a cassette player and you know what a cassette tape is. This guy is in the shade Byers. It says it's a natural matte finish. That is what the shade looks like. I need to apply a lot of blush because if I don't, Vecna will find me for not having an 80s style blush. I love that the color of the blush makes you feel like it's a really, really dark blush, but then you put it on and it's really light. You're like, magic. Cutest little milk carton that you've ever freaking seen. I am obsessed. I love the front. Have you seen me? That's so cute. They're liquid light glow drops. Catch me shining from frickin' outer space. I love a white blinding highlight. I want you to be able to see me from the moon. I do not care. This highlight is so bright, we're gonna be blinding them Demogorgons. Next is the Monster Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow Duo. This is so awesome. I'm so excited about this product because I'm obsessed with holographic and I love a good liquid eyeshadow. Interdimensional. Woohoo! Humanoid. Oh my gosh. I think I should make it into an eyeliner. This one's interdimensional and it is freaking gorgeous. It has like this beautiful blue shade to it. This side is going to be in humanoid and it has more of a gray base. This whole collection's been amazing. Last but not least are these beautiful little ultra glossy lip trios, and I'm obsessed with the packaging. It was so crucial in the very first season with the lights for Joyce to communicate with Will in the Upside Down, and I love the idea that they did this. The packaging on the inside's also so stinking cute. That's great. These are looking like, where are you? Right here. Run. They are ultra glossy. They're very shiny. For this look, I'm feeling where are you? I feel like this kind of matches the whole look. This collection is amazing and I am still geeking on it. Thank you again, Colourpop.